In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix camera failed on Google Meet's app error. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So if you're trying to use Google Meet but the camera is not working, you are being told it has failed each and every time, then you need to troubleshoot your app or change some settings on your app to be able to access your camera during a meeting. To do this, first go to your phone and look for settings. From settings, scroll down to apps. If you see your apps here up, go ahead, tap on it, and this should list all your apps. If it does not list your apps, look for manage apps or all apps option. This will list now all your apps. From the list, search for your app. So I'll just search for Meet, and here we are on the app info page. First, you want to force stop the app. This will stop any background activities that might be causing the issue. Then you want to go to clear data here and choose clear cache and OK. And again, clear all data. Once you're done, now go to permissions, and under app permission, make sure you allow this camera access. So tap on it and choose allow. Once you are done with this, you also want to allow microphone so that Google Meet will be able to pick up your voice or sound when you are communicating during the meeting. Once you are done, now restart your smartphone, and once you have restarted your smartphone, if you go to your Google Meet app, now everything should be up and running. But should this not work, then you want to check and see that you are not using any VPN on your app, as using VPN might be one of the reasons you are experiencing this. So turn off your VPN and see if the app works. But should this also fail, then you want to check on your camera to see that everything that your camera is working well. For that, you'll need to tap and open your camera. And from this, you want to see that everything is well. If you are trying to use a selfie camera, also check and see that the selfie camera is also working. So if it is working, then it means that the app was the issue. However, if your camera is not working, then it means that either your camera software or hardware is the issue. You also want to update your Google Meet app to the latest version. And to do this, just go to Google Play Store and just search for Meet like that. But if you are on iPhone, go to App Store and check if we have any update, then update your app to the latest version. So that's how you can fix camera failed issue on your Google Meet app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.